Welcome to the Rice to the Rescue video series brought to you by USA Rice. I'm Chef Brenda, and today we are going to be discussing easy to prepare school meals that utilize the very popular USDA food items grown in the US, long grain rice and long grain brown rice. In this video, I will be demonstrating recipes that are easy to prepare, easy to package for grab and go, and hold well for curbside service. All of these recipes feature versatile US grown rice. USDA foods, formerly known as USDA commodities, are so beneficial to our child nutrition programs, and they support America's farmers. All of these recipes that I'm going to be demonstrating today utilize USDA rice, along with many other USDA foods. The first one I want to show you is the vegetable fried brown rice bowl. It is so versatile and so delicious. It has a really nice garlic and delicious ginger flavor. So what we did is we used day-old rice. We added those flavors along with some USDA vegetable oil, USDA eggs, USDA frozen peas. We added them all together, and we also used fresh shredded carrots. But if you wanted to substitute the USDA frozen carrots, that would be great too. It also is garnished with some delicious cilantro and green onions. The next recipe I'd like to show you is this chicken fiesta entree salad, which is so awesome for grab and go and curbside. And salads are really popular right now in our child nutrition programs across the country. So what's awesome about them is that you can get all the components that you need in one package. This chicken fiesta entree salad utilizes USDA rice, USDA diced chicken, USDA mozzarella cheese, and if you really needed to, you could sub the fresh tomatoes for USDA canned tomatoes. So let me show you what this salad is all about. This chicken fiesta entree salad recipe is twofold because you get two recipes in one. USA Rice has a delicious Spanish rice recipe that we just simply added USDA diced chicken right here in this half cup number 8 scoop, and we're just going to put it right here beautifully on the salad right in the center. Then to add some more color, we are going to add these fresh diced tomatoes. And I'm just going to add them here. If you're serving this curbside or even grab and go, you can keep it in these small containers if you'd like, if that makes more sense. Then we have some USDA mozzarella cheese. So I'm just going to put that around here, and there you go. Voila. Then we're going to add a little bit of crunch with 2 ounces of whole grain tortilla chips. Then we have our salad dressing, which we took the kid-friendly ranch and we just added a little picante sauce. And you could add your USDA salsa. So yummy for the kids. Kids love rice, so why not serve it for breakfast too? So we are going to demonstrate a breakfast brown rice. It is a simple 4-ingredient comfort food style breakfast dish that tastes marvelous. It's so simple, just one pan with brown rice, milk, brown sugar, and a little cinnamon. So the serving size is just a half a cup, so a number 8 serving. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this grab and go container. You could even use this curbside, and I've chosen a container that's a little bit larger because I can add some fresh fruit to it, like these beautiful blueberries. So you could serve them separate in your grab and go or for curbside just like this, or you could go ahead and just add those blueberries on top, and look how beautiful that is. Delicious, wonderful grab and go. For more inspirational tips and recipe inspiration, visit thinkrice.com and visit us on Facebook at USA Rice and on Instagram at think_rice. Thanks for watching.